Madagascar, the world's fourth largest island, has a rich and unique history shaped by waves of human migration, colonial rule, and modern political developments. Situated off the southeastern coast of Africa in the Indian Ocean, Madagascar is renowned for its biodiversity and cultural fusion of African, Austronesian, and European influences. Early settlement and origins before 10th century CE. Madagascar was one of the last large landmasses to be settled by humans. Archaeological evidence suggests that the first settlers arrived between 200 BCE and 500 CE, likely from present-day Indonesia and Malaysia. These Austronesian navigators, skilled in seafaring, crossed the Indian Ocean in outrigger canoes and introduced their agricultural techniques, including rice cultivation. Later, Bantu-speaking African migrants from the mainland arrived around 1000 CE, bringing cattle herding and ironworking. Over time, these two groups intermingled, creating the Malagasy people with their distinct linguistic and cultural traits. Malagasy, the island's language, is of Austronesian origin but also contains strong Bantu influences. Formation of kingdoms and trade, 10th, 17th century. Between the 10th and 17th centuries, Madagascar was divided into several regional kingdoms. The most prominent of these were the Merina Kingdom, established in the Central Highlands. It became the most powerful kingdom by the 18th century. The Sakalava kingdoms dominated the western and coastal areas, controlling trade with European and Arab merchants. The Betsimisaraka Confederation controlled the eastern coast and played a significant role in trade. Trade flourished during this period as Arab, Persian, and Swahili merchants established trading posts along the coast. They exchanged goods such as spices, gold, and slaves, introducing Islam to some parts of Madagascar. European contact and colonial interests, 16th–19th century. European explorers first reached Madagascar in the early 16th century. Portuguese navigator Diogo Dias sighted the island in 1500s, but European powers struggled to establish long-term control due to Madagascar's resistance and rugged geography. The Merina Kingdom, under King Andrianampoini Merina, 1787–1810, centralized power and expanded its territory. His son, King Radama I, 1810–1828, allied with the British, modernizing the military and adopting European technology. The British also introduced Christianity, leading to the establishment of missionary schools. However, Queen Ranavalona weren't 1828, 1861, fiercely resisted European influence, expelling missionaries and enforcing traditional Malagasy customs. Her rule was marked by isolationism and brutal repression of Christianity. Successive rulers, including Ranavalona II and III, faced increasing pressure from France, which sought to colonize Madagascar. French colonization, 1896–1960. In 1896, after a series of military conflicts, Madagascar was annexed by France, becoming a French colony. The Merina monarchy was abolished, and Queen Ranavalona III was exiled. Under French rule, the Malagasy people were forced into labor, and French settlers controlled the economy. Infrastructure, such as railways and roads, was developed, but primarily to benefit French industries. Madagascar played a role in World War II, as the Vichy French controlled it until British forces took over in 1942. After the war, nationalist movements gained momentum, leading to the 1947 Malagasy uprising against French rule. The rebellion was brutally suppressed, but it fueled the push for independence. Independence and political turmoil, 1960–1990s. On June 26, 1960, Madagascar gained independence, with Philibert Tsiranana as its first president. His government maintained close ties with France but faced opposition due to economic struggles. In 1972, mass protests led to his resignation. In 1975, Didier Ratsiraka, a socialist, took power, aligning Madagascar with the Soviet Union and nationalizing industries. However, economic decline and corruption led to widespread dissatisfaction. In the 1990s, Madagascar transitioned toward democracy, with Albert Zafy elected in 1993. Modern Madagascar, 2000s present. The 21st century has seen continued political instability. In 2002, Marc Ravalomanana became president, promoting economic reforms but facing accusations of authoritarianism. In 2009, a coup led by Andry Rajoelina ousted him, plunging Madagascar into a political crisis. Since then, the country has experienced multiple leadership changes, with elections in 2013 and 2018 attempting to restore stability. Despite its rich natural resources, Madagascar remains one of the world's poorest countries, facing challenges such as deforestation, economic inequality, and political uncertainty. Conclusion. Madagascar's history is a blend of ancient migrations, powerful kingdoms, colonial struggles, and modern political challenges. Its cultural and ecological uniqueness continues to shape its identity, making it a fascinating nation with a complex past and hopeful future. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com, and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getbooks on Amazon. Amazon Books. Check out our website, Wordflix Publishers. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.